Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Excel for Power BI. First, clean your data in Excel and organize tables with clear headers and consistent types. Convert ranges to tables, name each table, and remove blank rows before importing. Standardize date and number formats, then connect to Power BI and verify previewed data. I'll guide you through modeling, refreshing, and troubleshooting so your reports load cleanly into Power BI now. Start by formatting key columns, set data types, and remove duplicates to prevent errors during analysis. Create relationships between tables using unique keys and verify cardinality and direction for accurate joins. Use Power Query to merge, append, and pivot data for efficient modeling and to reduce load on visuals. Add calculated columns and DAX measures for totals and averages, then test refresh to ensure smooth updates today. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while learning, check the Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, glare-free reading and long battery life. Perfect for reading data model notes on the train. If this guide helps you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tutorials. I'll put the link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Connect Excel tables to Power BI by choosing Get Data and selecting Named Tables for clean imports. Optimize performance by limiting columns, using query folding, and disabling unnecessary steps in Power Query to speed refreshes. Maintain a single source of truth by storing the master workbook in OneDrive or SharePoint for automatic updates and version history. Document transformations and manage daily workflows so teams can collaborate confidently across projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.